Okay, we are showing two new features here. In the point of view, what we've done is you see this dolly camera giving you the sense where it is when you are doing the preview. So here we will see if it is going along where we want. At the same time, we know where it is facing along this path. Okay, so yeah, it looks good. Crashing into some room, still fine. There was some like moving into this wall. Where is that? Let us trace. So you could just trace it this way. Make sure you don't accidentally grab the path. So you can see that it's really going around this wall. So we probably could put another stick here, right? So you could go here, turn back, look elsewhere, yeah, and then just enter. So another stick is introduced. So kind of messy. Let's see how it looks. Oops, no. Just put it here. So it's not that good. So what we can do is I will just Control Z, remove it. I know that it's kind of close here, so let me do some doctoring. I will just move it here. Yeah, that should clear it from that wall. So yeah, so let me see how it looks like. Yeah, it seems to be clearing from walls. Now I'm going to show you another feature we have done. This will add, you can see here, it will add 104 seconds the whole thing. So when you put that in, you see it's 189 seconds. Same thing here, right? Watch it. Okay, so it's 1 minute 44 seconds the length of the movie that we produce on the fly. Now it's 3 minutes. So I'll show you what actually is doing. This will be static. It will be quite dramatic. I'm going to reveal, as the word says, it's going to reveal the disciplines. Okay, first it goes one round, and then when it stops at its last round, watch here. It will now go and examine all the disciplines. Okay, and then when it's about to come out, it will then play one by one. You see, it will do one by one discipline actually. So it is let me see if you can get it. Whatever, that's what it will do. And then we have the room title on. Let's bake it. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, so let's bake it. I hope this works. So anything else? Maybe I'll save this path. Okay, let's look at the Gantt chart. Hope it don't screw up again. This all automatic on the fly, so that the long tail of users do it yourself need not pay anything. Just sing my name. And this has 5D, 4D scheduling, ERP, 8D, 7D asset maintenance, lots of good stuff you can watch in the other movies. Okay, let's see how this turned out. We will pause and let me see how long would it take. You will take it's 4 and 12 days, well, I'll say an hour, 2 hour, an hour to do it. You will have 2,846 frames. We are now at 20 frames. It's only the first second. So see you tomorrow morning. Bye bye. It is day 108 of 412. That's about say a quarter through. I like the shadow play here, which I was trying to fix. So as the building is still under construction, there's a noon sun, which by the time we finish will be dusk or late, almost sunset. So the shadow play is here. So at the baking and the coloring too, this is now more proper dark black, and you show a sort of a bluish tint. Previously it was really sickly. So stairs forming, and yeah, these things are dangling. It's MEP hell. But this can be edited. You can set baseline, you can undo edit, and we have a permanent editor. We have resources chart. This applies to, you're supposed to have people working here, but they bunch things over to the front too much. So it's a bug of timing. And you have variants. This is the ERP stuff, and we can scale. You can see here, draw to scale. You want to scale it to, for the time machine, to scale to approaching the million element challenge. Of course, we have the Gantt chart, and you can extend it if you like. So well then, let's wait and see how it fares, and 200 more days. Yeah. Okay, the result is a 125 megabyte movie. So I'll show it to you. It's more or less the same as before, but now it has 3 minutes long. So I'll skip along to show you that it will come to have a second round. Okay, so the second round is somewhere about to come here, where it will reach the end stick and it replaces back again. It's kind of abrupt, and I don't like the over blue color. They're supposed to be red and things like that, but it will now go through the same round as before, but this time without the architecture and the structure, and just only showing all the other disciplines together: electrical, mechanical, plumbing, fire protection, toiletry, and so after you finish this second round, it will, but the detail it gives, for example, the restrooms here, will give the engineers an idea. I hope. I'm not a BIM guy, but this is one of the resulting AI assisted coding that I can do on the browser, producing this quality. And look at here, fire protection. So all the fire protection is isolated, 1,435 7 elements, and I give the cost to. That's supposed to be the cost. Okay, supposed to put the US dollar, things like that. So this MEP, 19,670 elements. This plumbing, as it draws out, I have all these elements. This is a very quick way to just demonstrate. So electrical, yeah, MEP again. So all disciplines supposed to give the total cost, but it's okay. So it's supposed to play 2 seconds. I think that's supposed to play, and this can be hastened up. So that's it, guys. What will we think of next? I'm going to polish it and make it fantastic and make it the best software in the world for BIM ERP. Bye bye.